In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop sharing your Instagram stories to Facebook. If you've been looking for a way to keep your Instagram content just on Instagram and not automatically shared to Facebook, you're in the right place. This process is quite straightforward and I'll guide you through it step by step. To get started, you'll want to open up your Instagram app. Once you're inside the app, head on over to your profile page. You can do this by tapping on the profile icon, which is typically located at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you're on your profile, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This is your menu button. Tap on it to open up a list of options. From here, you'll want to select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll find various options related to your account. What you're looking for is the Sharing and Reuse section. This is where you can manage how your content is shared across different platforms. Tap on Sharing and Reuse to proceed. Once you're in the Sharing and Reuse section, you'll need to locate the option that specifically mentions the sharing of stories to Facebook. This is usually a toggle switch that allows you to turn the feature on or off. Make sure that this toggle is switched to the off position. This ensures that your Instagram stories will no longer be automatically shared to your Facebook account. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've successfully stopped your Instagram stories from being shared to Facebook. This gives you more control over where your content appears and helps to keep your social media presence exactly how you want it. If you ever decide you want to start sharing your stories to Facebook again, you can simply return to the Sharing and Reuse section and switch that toggle back to On. It's a quick and easy adjustment to make whenever you need it. Remember, managing your social media settings is an important part of maintaining your online presence. Whether it's for privacy, personal preference, or brand consistency, having the ability to control where your content is shared is a valuable tool. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.